Welcome to the Reps Anywhere channel. I'm Lauren and I'm going to take you through August UK Avon Brochure and Bonus Brochure. Offers and pricing in the August Brochure are available to order online from the 1st of August until the 31st of August at midnight. And you'll find a link to the current brochure as well as the featured products in the description below. Now if you like what you see and you want to be the first to get a look at what's coming in September before the brochure is even available, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. First up, we have the Power Stay range. Now, all of these products have been built on the fact that you can lower your budget without having to lower your standards. It's all about luxury for less. Now, no shade to the luxury brands, but in a recent survey where consumers compared the famous Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation against Avon's Power Stay 24-hour foundation, well, 78% of those people liked Avon's foundation just as much as the luxury competitor. Now, this foundation comes in 33 shades, so it's super inclusive. I've been wearing mine for over 8 hours now, and it's not budged. The shade that I'm wearing is nude, it's lightweight with medium to full coverage, and another part of the collection is an 18-hour concealer that comes in 5 shades. Moving on, we've got the True Power Stay lip color. Now the color that I'm wearing is called Can't Quit Cafe. It is a very easy color to wear. It goes with pretty much all makeup looks. You could pair it with a smoky eye or even add it to your everyday natural look. It lasts for 16 hours and it won't crack or bleed. It comes in 15 shades ranging in nude, pink, purple and red, so it's the perfect lipstick for an all-day event. Next up, we have the 16-hour Power Stay Shadow Stick. It's got a really creamy texture, glides on and blends easily. It even has a sharpener built in, so you're always on point. The color I'm wearing is called Everyday Beige, and I've paired it with the liquid liner in Blackest Black. It has a precision tip, making it super easy to create definition, and it's water, smudge and fade proof. Now, I have some good news for you because you can recreate this entire look that I'm wearing for only £20. Yes, you heard me right. You can have all 4 of these products for £20, and if you spend over £12 on the Power Stay range, you get a free gift. And who doesn't love a freebie? So let me show you what's in the free gift. Now you get the NutriEffects Nourish Oil Infused Micellar Water, which is perfect for removing the Power Stay range. You get an Ultra Shimmer Lipstick, Spring Bling sample, and a sample of a new Sensitive Plus Dual Collagen Cream, and this is launching in September. Next up, I want to tell you about our special offer. We have this Skin So Soft Original Dry Oil Spray in 150ml. Now you can get 3 bottles of this for just £10.50. It's usually £4 a bottle. Customers absolutely love this. It's a top seller. They swear by this to repel midges and mosquitoes thanks to its citronella fragrance. And with the heat wave summer we've been having, you already know you're going to need to stock up on this. Not only does it keep mosquitoes at bay, but it also leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. Now we're moving on to all the new products that we have for August. So first up, we have the Rare Onyx Set for Her Eau de Parfum and Body Lotion. It is a brand new fragrance launch from the Rare range. It feels like quite a while since we've seen a fragrance from that range. Not only is the presentation absolutely beautiful, but the scents of velvet apricot, dark lotus and amber just pair so well together. I absolutely love the aroma of this. It's floral but with a woody warmth. Next, we have the Black Suede Secret Scent for Him, Eau de Toilette and Roll-On. Now this is another new fragrance launch for those who love the Black Suede range. My partner loved this scent. It is a great mix of wood, amber and a hint of spice. Up next, we have the Senses Escape to the Wild Body, Hair and Face Wash. This is Avon's first 3-in-1 wash with refreshing wild rhubarb and sandalwood. It kind of smells like what I would imagine it would be to shower in nature. It's really fresh, really earthy, great for a morning shower, really wakes you up. And if you love travel, it is perfect for city breaks. Just pour it into a smaller bottle and you've got your body, face and hair wash all sorted. We're going to move on to nails now, and I've got 3 different colors from 3 different collections that I want to show you. They are all part of the Ultra Color 60-second Express nails. It's perfect for giving yourself an express mani-pedi as it does exactly what it says on the tin and dries in 60 seconds. From the nudes collection, there are 9 different colors. I'm wearing Think Fast Pink. It is a very neutral color. It'll go with every outfit and every occasion. Now from the Brights collection, we have 8 different colors that pop. This collection is perfect for summer. It's bright and it's bold, and in this clip, I'm wearing Once Upon a Lime. The last collection is called Deeps. It has 8 different colors filled with warm, rich tones tones, and in this clip I'm wearing Cheers in the Sea. If you like the old Pro Color in 60 seconds range, you will love this new and improved formula. Now the final new product that I want to introduce you to is the new Reviving Tonic. If you want smoother looking skin, then this multitasking wonder tonic with 5% niacinamide is perfect for you. The ideal age range for this product is 30 plus. Now you're probably wondering what niacinamide is. It's one of the hottest trending ingredients in youth boosting skincare, also known as vitamin B3. This all-around hero works to help rebalance and reinvigorate the look of skin. Simply pour a small amount into your palms and gently press into your cleansed face and neck. Then follow with your favorite Anew moisturizer. The tonic is great for using alongside your favorite Anew day and night creams, which are also on offer this month. I wanted to quickly mention our bonus brochure, which has a special offer with any 4 items for £5 on selected bath and body products. This offer even includes some of our new fragrances. Now, as you probably know, it's always super popular and the products are often out of stock by the end of the month. So if you are running low on bubble bath, body mist, shower gel, children's hair care, body lotion, hand gel, hand wash, or hand cream, make sure you take a look. Now, before I sign off, there is one final offer that I do think is worth mentioning, and it's the Tinted Moisturizing Day Cream with SPF 20. It is an incredibly popular product. I've not spotted it on offer for at least a year, so I just wanted to let you know that it is now 2 for £8. And with that said, that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy shopping. Bye!